to explain about the uses of mind map for the students. So we all know that mind map is an essential tool which is designed to improve your core thinking skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. So today I'll explain in detail how this mind map, this technique, is going to helpful for you guys. Okay, first like making notes and planning an essay, and also in studying for exams, and to create something, and in problem solving, and for presentation, as well as in group studies. In all such things, this mind mapping is going to helpful for you. Okay, let me explain one by one in detail. First is making notes and planning for an essay. Okay, so how you used to take notes generally while faculty is teaching some concepts, you used to take notes. Okay, after that, if you use this mind map, so it's a great way for you guys to make notes on all the information you receive. And one question to you: do you ever feel like, as students, you're being told a ton of facts and figures and have no way to get it all down and remember it? Yes, would have face the situations. Yes, so at that time this mind maps, no, it will helpful to you guys to note down only the most important information using keywords, and then you can make connections between facts and ideas visually. So by doing this, you can keep all your topic thoughts together on one sheet. So it will make you the note making easier for you. And also it reduces the pages of notes into one single side of paper. Okay, so having one visual resource to refer to make everything easier if you do such things. And also, then when you come back to your review your notes, we will remember the information more quickly as possible. As well as with this mind map software, also you can like iMindMap and many software are there. You can use such software. Thereby, you can attach files, videos, and documents and web links to your maps for information at your fingertips. As well as you can add all these things and you can edit when you revisit them for your exams. Okay, so coming to the next thing, planning an essay. So you all guys get in all the time. Your teachers are asking you to create an essay plan, but do you just not know where to start? Am I right? Yes. Or when you make a plan, do you find it hard to stick to? Right. So yes, by creating a mind map, no, you can plan your essay as well as you can generate more ideas quickly and as possible. And with the radial structure, you can quickly see the connecting topics, main paragraphs, and structure. And this will help you to make a realistic plan for your essay and create a logical structure for the introduction, main sections, and conclusions. But also these mind maps, no, which focus your mind on the message you want to get across and the key information you want to include, making you less likely to go off the topic or start rambling, because it's a great tool for making sure you hit the marketing criteria. So with this mind map, you can create your map of keywords, plus you can add notes if you need more detail. Once you have made your mind map, no, you can even export it to Microsoft Word with your notes in place or your essays in nearly fully written means. So great for you guys if you use this mind map tool in an efficient way, because this mind mapping, no, it will make you to plan essays, especially for you guys uh, while you write or draft an essay for exams. As and coming to the next thing, studying for exams. Okay, so speaking of exams, no, how many students hate studying for exams? Almost many students, right? Okay, so having to go back through a pile of notes, forgetting what you were about in the first place. So with mind mapping, no, you studying and exams don't have to be scary. Simply review the notes you have made on each student, and mind maps, no, which is the key information you need to remember. So to check out, you have memorized this information you can create a new mind map with only the main topic branches and then fill in the rest from memory. Okay, you will find that you will have remembered more and maintained the connections between ideas and ideal for answering exam questions. So when students, you guys know, used to use this mind map software or something like that, you can collapse branches to test yourself or focus in and out on different aspects of the subject. So coming to creative aspiration, have you ever tried to write a story or paint or a picture or plan an essay but have no ideas to start with? Yes, yes. So if you use such mind mapping, which sparks billions of creative ideas for students to turn into next great novel of artwork. So mind maps, no, which work in the same way as your brain, meaning that when you have a thought, this could be an image, a word, or a feeling, this instantly sparks off hundreds of connecting ideas. So these mind maps are just a way of representing this process on paper. So start mind mapping and you will find thousands of ideas flooding out. When you start mind mapping, no, you should note down any ideas that you have, and no matter how crazy or random. So this is where the best creative plans come from. So don't be afraid to be off the wall. Coming to the next use, problem solving. So if you have a tough question or obstacle you need to overcome, this mind map will help you to see things clearly, as well as you should know that the ability to problem solve, which is looked for by the universities and future employees. So it will help you ahead of the pack. So when you encounter a problem or your instinct is to panic, meaning your heart starts beating faster and you feel stressed. Am I right? Yes. Instead of forcing your mind to find a solution, mind mapping which helps you to open up many possibilities and options to solve the problem. Okay, so when you mind map for a solution, you can add many ideas or resources you can think of, and the nature of the mind map means that you spark off more possibilities from your original thoughts. You can then refine your map for the most practical or realistic solutions available. For you guys, this mind mapping is a solution to your problem, as well as you should become focused on the many options you have, and then choose the quickest or the easiest or the best one of your problem. Okay, and coming to presentation, making presentation. So many presentations you will do during college time, right? So it will be daunting for the students. But you guys know that you are a great way of showing that you know the subject well, but are confident to talk about it. So with this mind map, presenting is a breeze for you guys. So reading from sheets of notes is boring for you. With this mind map, you only have keywords and images to stimulate your memory. So you automatically present in a more conversational way as you keep eye contact with your audience. So when you make your presentations, mind map, you only keep the most interesting facts and information and you lay it out in a clear structure. And also, you can even add numbers to order your taking points. Okay, with mind mapping, you can plan your presentation with all your ideas and resources, create a presentation map, and even present using the amazing inbuilt presentation mode, all from within one map. Okay, so presentation which modes, no, which animates your mind maps as you talk to really wow your crowd. So it will be helpful for you guys to make a good presentation. Next is group study. So group study can be a really a fun way for students to share their knowledge, and mind mapping will help you to get the best out of a brainstorming session. So first, you should make an individual mind map of your thoughts on the topic, as this will focus your mind on your ideas and opinions, not for all the other students. So then when you join together, you can combine with your ideas with your friends without losing your personal insights on the topic. So creating a new topic with everyone's ideas. So with this mind map, you can create a mind map with each of your friends names as main branches, and then even record audio notes of you and your fellow students discussions, so adding each person's inputs to the individual branch. This is how we can do the group study. And coming to the problem solving, if you have a tough equation or obstacle you need to overcome, so this mind mapping will help you to see things clearly. You should know that the ability to problem solve is looked for by the universities and future employees, because it will help you go ahead of the pack. When you encounter a problem, you instinct into panic, so meaning your heart starts beating, and you feel stressed. Instead of forcing your mind to find a solution, so this mind map will help you to open up many possibilities and options to solve the problem. So when your mind map for a solution, you can add any ideas or resources you can think of. Okay, so for you guys, this mind map is a solution to your problem, and you should become focused onto the many options you have, and then choose the quickest and easiest way. Okay, so these are the few uses you have uh, by using this mind map. So thank you for active listening. Thank you.